Hello and welcome to the dappled sunlight of our place in Sicily. Today I'm going to show you the last bathroom that you have not seen on any of our tours. So let's go take a look. Before I take you to the bathroom, that sounds way too personal. This is an old pump well, and underneath here is a cistern with water, and we're going to now take you into the last remaining bathroom. First I gotta do a little cleanup so that I can make it to the doorway, which is why we haven't shown you this yet. But also keep in mind that this is the garden that didn't belong to the renter, but this was the space for the renter who lived here for 50 years until she passed, where she would watch her grandchildren and great-grandchildren, some of whom I've met, and they're all delightful. So let's try to get into this bathroom. Let's go move some wood and stuff. What you see is one of the rooms you haven't seen on any of the tours. It's the last remaining bathroom, and I use the term bathroom loosely. There's only a toilet in there, and it's outside. I know it looks like it's inside because we're going to go through a door, but when we get in there, if I can get the door open, you'll see that it's open to the elements, and quite likely a few pigeons might fly out because they can enter and they think they're safe. So let's see if I can get in first. Oh, I'm so strong. All right, good news. Absolutely no pigeons. Bad news, it's gross. Let me show you what we got in there. Just delightful, right? You can see that the pigeons have been making good use of this. I have no idea what that is. But, you know, it had electricity. Looks like it had maybe a little wasp action happening sometime here. It also has a window, which doesn't have any glass in it. It's a nice big window. And some ramshackle, does anybody use that anymore? Plumbing. It's all tiled. I believe our pigeon friends like to sit on this ledge because you never saw them up there. Anyway, maybe we need to put some bird tape in here. Now, I'm not going to go into a room by room because this is actually part of Matt's office, which is on the other side of this. And this wall is coming down, and we have some cool ideas for this. Note the star vault. But I just thought you deserved to see what we had in here. And by the way, there was a dead pigeon and a dead, I can't remember, I think it was a rabbit was in here when we bought the place. That was fun. I mean, very old, almost mummy. So the room you're in now that I just took you to the bathroom from is my future ceramic studio. Am I excited? Yes. Is it likely to be the last room done? Because everything comes in and out here. You're actually mounted up on the doors that go outside, our garage doors, which are maybe 4 feet wide. I don't know what kind of car you're fitting in there, but it has access to the whole great backyard. It's not going to be a giant studio by any means, but it's big in volume. It's probably 4 meters tall, which is fantastic, except that I can't, work up there. But I'm so excited, and there'll be a window door situation opening up, and we're going to talk more about this room in a room by room. But I thought you should see where the bathroom came from, because this was the bathroom that was used by the woman who lived here for 50 years. I'm going to turn you around and show you, sort of tie you together in your head on our floor plan. Looking out into the garden, bathroom here, and then right here to the right is our solarium that had the kitchen with the sink and the shower. So only a few steps away, still sort of inside, protected from the elements for most of the trip. And I'm sure the way she had this decorated was absolutely lovely and so clean. And you think about 60 or 70 years ago, what it was like in here, and this doesn't seem so bad. Again, this would have been all cleaned up, and you only would have been really not even outside for that long because there was a roof over your head for the whole thing. Not what we're used to in today's world, but also not a bad situation for a wonderful woman I hear from her family, who would watch her grandchildren, great-grandchildren, who would play in this garden. It wouldn't have been this dangerous, where they could have picked oranges and plums and enjoyed this lovely green space in the middle of town. I think kind of special. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, ciao ciao.